Let's step inside the world of a cartel. We're going to explore power and fear from their perspective.
So it all begins with one choice. You tell yourself it's worth it. That's the first mental compromise.
You start at 14. You're the watcher. Your job? Just blend in and report everything you see. And the choice? It feels like a no-brainer. More money than your teachers. The real cost? You don't see it yet.
Now you're 17. You're moving up to transporter. More risk, but hey, way more pay. 15 kilos of crystal meth hidden in the truck. Your heart? It doesn't even race anymore.
You remember his warning. But honestly, the cash in your pocket just speaks a lot louder.
Next up, you're an enforcer. You're not moving product now. You're solving problems.
You have to live two lives. This split, it's how you survive. It's how you stay sane. Now you're a territory commander. You don't just work for the system, you are the system.
It's all about control. And the main tool you use isn't violence. It's the constant threat of it.
At this level, you never even see the drugs. Your whole world is just spreadsheets and numbers.
It's so complex it takes warrants in 6 countries to track just one transaction. It's insane.
Now you're a regional commander. A huge shipment vanishes. Find the traitor or you're dead.
So, you solve the problem. Then the phone rings. Is it a promotion or a bullet?
You made it! You're in the war room with El Mencho himself. You're deciding who lives and who dies.
The U.S. government wants you bad. A $5 million bounty. You live like a ghost in a compound.
He's watching you, silent. You have 30 seconds to give him a plan. Choose wrong, and you're gone.
And at the very top, you're him, El Mencho, the man who built this entire empire from nothing.
Your goal was never just to play the game. It was to take over the whole board. And to the U.S. government, that $15 million bounty means you're more dangerous than El Chapo ever was.
But all that power, it couldn't protect your own family from the life that you chose.
And then, one morning, the helicopters come. You were untouchable, but not anymore. The empire is falling.
In the end, what you were doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the fight at your door.